everyone, welcome to the Stitchery. Man, I haven't said that in a while. I have created a new modular embroidery sampler that is a natural follow-up to my beginner sampler that's always been so popular. So if you've sewn that one, you've mastered all of the stitches on it, and you're looking for something new, this is for you. I'm calling this one an intermediate sampler, but don't worry, you certainly don't have to think of yourself as an intermediate embroiderer in order to handle it. This sampler does assume that you have basic knowledge of stitches like satin stitch, backstitch, and French knots, but I still have given very careful detail for every single stitch on there. It features both step-by-step photographs and written instructions to help you learn each one, and there will also be 9 tutorial videos coming out over the next several weeks, each one covering a square of the sampler in my traditional slow and silent style. You can pick up a pattern in my Etsy shop, which I've linked in the description, and I hope you'll enjoy following along as we learn a few of my favorite stitches like Pekingese, Danish knots, and laidwork, as well as some very commonly used stitches like fern stitch, bullion knots, and woven wheels. The modular style means you can shift around the squares into any pattern you like, or stitch them all separately in their own hoops, which can be a lot easier to hold on to than one of these snap frames here. The pattern also includes some helpful information about the supplies that you'll need, and you can find everything you'll need to know to start embroidery in case this is your first time in this video right up here. I'll see you soon for the first tutorial video in which we're going to be covering running stitch variations. Happy stitching!